Welcome everyone to the JLM University. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the navigation head on your power pole move. Now this video is going to cover both PV and ZR models, and also if you do have the transducer ZR model, this will cover that as well. So this video will cover all three models. So as always, the first step, anytime you're working on your power pole move, make sure you go ahead and disconnect power first. We have this already turned off, but don't forget to turn the power off anytime you're working on your trolling motor. For a list of recommended tools, please see the description below. Alright, so in order to change out the navigation head, we are going to need to access the 7 brass screws that are running along the bottom here. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and raise it up so I can show you easier. Now, if you're working on the deck of your boat, that's fine as well. You can do this in the stowed position. You'll be able to access these screws as well. Okay, now that we have all 7 brass screws removed from the bottom of the navigation head, we're going to go ahead and simply lift up. And you'll see it's just connected simply with this white connector. All you have to do is push the middle of the tab here, simply unplug. Alright, we have our new navigation head here. Now we're going to simply reverse the order. So we're going to take our white connector here, line it up with the tabs. You actually hear it click once it's all the way in, just like that. Now the one thing you do want to note before you put this down, it's very important to watch how this wire is ran. There's a cradle here on the side, and we need to make sure that the tabs on this white connector are facing outward to the edge of the navigation head. Just like this. It's going to sit nice and flush down in here. Just like that. The front of the wire coming off here is going to lay in this middle slot. And on the back side of the cradle, this is very important. The back side of the wire, you need to use your finger and line up the wire into the cradle before you push it down. This is very important because if you run your brass screw through here, when we screw this back down and that wire is overlapping, we're going to damage the wire. So we need to be very careful that we use our finger and push down as we put this navigation head down, just like this, to avoid the screw going through the wire. Alright, now we're ready to tighten back the brass screws with our number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Alright, now remember when we're tightening our 7 brass screws, we are going to be working in a star pattern to make sure everything seats evenly. Remember to use your torque wrench and to tighten down to the listed torque specs that can be found in the instructions. Alright, and that concludes replacing the navigation head on your power pole move. Thank you for watching.